morning to all of you. Today I am going to tell about the corona. Today we got the topic about the corona. I know that it will be very interesting for you to know about it. Why is that I started a topic about the corona? Because corona had been finished. But how that today we are talking about the corona. You have heard in newspaper also. You have watched in news also that again the corona just increasing day by day. So that's why that we have seen critical situation that we got to see in Delhi also. They started from Delhi that day by day, in one day that 8,000 cases are increasing day by day. So it's a huge increase of corona in Delhi. And by looking such situation that it's about the Delhi, but again that we are hearing that in Gujarat also some cases are increasing of corona. We had forgotten the name of corona, that what is corona, and we had given a wrong road to corona. I know that we know very well about how did it started from and who was responsible to make coronavirus and who is the origin of coronavirus. We know very well about the corona, that what is corona and where did it start from that and who made it. But we had just forgotten that in July, in August, in September that we had forgotten the name of corona, that what is corona, and we were taking a dig at corona, that what is corona. Corona is nothing. Let's go, my friends, to meet Sonam, and we're gonna have conversation about the corona, that how corona is increasing in Jharkhand, and we're gonna talk about that what is the condition of Jharkhand in corona.
Hi Chandan Bhaiya, we are talking about what is the cases in Jharkhand corona.
Yeah, as I told you that the cases are increasing day by day in India, and as I had gone towards you to have a conversation about the corona, that how the corona is increasing day by day in Jharkhand. Many cases we got to is in Jharkhand. So what do you think about the cases of corona in Jharkhand? Can you explain about that, how many cases we got to see in Jharkhand in one day, and how many cases we may get to see tomorrow in future also? Can you explain about that?
Yes, I explain. In Jharkhand many cases of corona because Hemant Soren was saying in Jharkhand many cases. That's why he make lockdown rules.
Yeah, and what the reason behind it? That how that we got to see that many corona cases are increasing day by day. What's the fault there? That how that we got to see again the name of corona is in our tongue. That again we began to take the name of corona many times. We had forgotten the name of corona in August and September time.
Yes,
but
yes.
again the same name came to our tongue, and again we began to claim it. It's like you know that how many chants are there. We take someone's name also. Same the corona became the name of some person. That's why we are taking the name of corona. What's the reason behind it? That how suddenly we got to see that many cases are increasing in Jharkhand. What is the reason behind it?
Because many people don't follow the rules. He didn't apply mask, sanitizer, and don't use anything, and that's why all people not use mask and sanitizer. That's why it's forgot.
But person should understand that if doctor is there, the scientists are there, they're just trying to find the vaccine. Many doctors just worked hard. They have the degree of MBBS, 5 years degrees they have. And many scientists are there, they have experience of 20 years. Many doctors have experience of 15-20 years in this sector. But the people wants to think, what the people understand themselves, that they are the only sensual person in this world. If doctor and the scientist as the government is also saying that are they police? No, they are not police. Why are they saying? They are saying day by day, please must use mask. Please must use mask. But how that persons are not ready to understand that by wearing mask that what will be? What is corona? Corona cannot touch me. Corona is nothing before me. I will smash corona like this.
You are right, but Chandan, many people didn't apply mask, but because in Bokaro many people has no corona.
I heard,
Not much.
I have heard from many persons that I met many persons there. They said about that. Yes, I was a patient of corona, but when I admitted in hospital, only doctor just kept me in a ward, in a special ward, corona ward. He kept me only for 1 day and 2 days, and he just administered such a medicine like that azithromycin, and the vitamin injections were there, some tablets were there, medicines were there. They administered me, and I just I have no corona now. That within 2 days, I was able to survive myself from that corona. That from that time they began to tell to each other that there is no corona. Corona is just a nominal. Corona is nothing before me. And day by day, they began to tell to every person, and cause of that, many persons that took a dig at corona, that corona is nothing before us. But again, the huge cases increasing day by day, increased a lot there. Again, the patient, again the person is not ready to understand once again. If the corona will hit again, that what will the result we will get to see? All the time they claim that there is no corona. Now that corona is increasing, but however that persons are not ready to understand, is not ready to accept it. There is corona. They think there is no corona, but the fact is here there is corona, and cause of that the cases are increasing day by day. The doctors are not lying. They are checking the patient, they are treating the patient, and cause of that they are giving all the record, and they are telling to government also that many cases are increasing, and the huge record they just explained about this. And if the person will not understand now, again they will take the India aback. And now that there was a death, how many deaths were there, they could not count it, but the scientists and the doctors cleared about that. If people will not be able to understand, then I can say easily with 100% sure, make sure that this world, this entire world will finish from corona.
But in Patanjali product, take out tablet, Coronil. You know about it?
Yes, I know very well about that coronal, that Baba Ramdev just explained about the coronal, how the coronal works. Yeah, and in that in ancient time, many just persons were that there was no hospital. There was no, you know, that medicines were there, English medicines were there, so that they used to treat patient by herbal things. Like same Baba Ramdev just cleared about that coronal just has a lot of just herbal things. Cause of that it increase the it helps us to fight from corona. Our antibody fight with corona, and cause of that it increase the power of antibody also, and that time we get power also to fight with corona. And government just cleared about that. Many country claimed about that. We just made vaccine of corona, but when they tried on human bodies, 25% they had picked up earlier, and when they tried the vaccine first time, that 1% lost their life. That time they stopped trying it, and they were trying a lot in animals also, that how that vaccines works, that but how that they were not able to clear it, and they were not able to get success in vaccine, and they failed again they claim that again we're gonna make such a vaccine by which that we will finish the corona from the root. But the fact is here that corona is not a disease, it's a virus, and we need such a vaccine that it gonna finish from the root that virus. But the fact is here, scientists also know that the virus will never finish. So what do you think about this, and what would you like to say about this?
But if you know Chandan, if you have a strong immunity, then you can fight with corona. That's why
Many doctors just cleared about the symptoms, like you are sneezing, you have coughing, you have headache, you are vomiting, any symptoms are there, then there is corona. But they are not being able to understand that there was symptoms were there. People were being able to see the symptoms. But nowadays that corona has changed the face of that, and now that asymptomatic is also there. Earlier there was a symptom that he is sneezing, is coughing, is vomiting, is headache. Then it was clear, yes, he is suffering from corona and he is a patient of corona, that we used to keep distance. But there is asymptomatic also. He is suffering from corona, but how that symptoms we are not being able to see, that is invisible. But it doesn't mean that he is not suffering from corona. That's why it's called asymptomatic also. So what do you think about this? What would you like to say about this asymptomatic? Will not it be difficult for us to identify that who is suffering from corona and who is not the patient of corona?
you are right, but how will I know? How will I know who has corona and who has corona not? But many you can careful.
Yeah. Earlier there was a symptom. Like if someone is sneezing, then our parents used to say, "No, you keep a distance from that person."
Yes.
There was a symptom, that's why. But here is asymptomatic. It means there is no symptom. You will not get to see such a symptom like sneezing. Someone is sneezing, but there is no symptom. But he
Yes, corona.
affected from that corona. It was a pleasure day for me to have a conversation with Miss Sonam, and
I also-
this day gonna be a memorable for me.